The edges are dry. They are here to stay. They do not move. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Vanessa here, and today's video is another hair tutorial. Yes, I'm wearing a sew-in, and yes, I have a side part, and that's because I added my edges. This video is all about how I add my edges to my side part. So if you are interested in this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. Make sure you subscribe to join the Vanessa Monet family, because over here we do a lot of beauty on a budget, glam stuff. So if that interests you, click that subscribe button down below wherever it is, and let's go ahead and get into it.
Cause I've been working all day. Can a nigga catch a break? Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your bitter. I'ma make a better way. Hey, hey.
What I like to do is take the Got2b Ultra Glued Invincible Styling Gel. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on my edges. I'm gonna bring this down. So I'm gonna take this hair right here because I've already cut this hair. I'm going to take my scissors. I use this one since it's semi short already, and I'm literally going to just cut it off the weft. So what I like to do is just take the hair that I have and just kind of spread it out. I'm going to just take some off. I like to take my flat iron and kind of just curl it so that it has like a curved motion to it. I do take some more of the Got2b on the dried area, right? And I just lay it down, and then I just take it, push it down. That's pretty much the process. Then I take my comb and I just kind of form it into the way I want it to go. While it's wet, manipulate it as much as you can. Again, spread it out. And you're gonna go back in with it. See that? Just add one more piece right here. Lay it down. And then fill it in like that. Then I'm going to take my scissors and I'm just going to cut any stragglies, because sometimes they could be a little too long. And just thinning it out, making it look as realistic as possible. Also take my comb and press down any parts that did not get pressed down. Full setting. Alright, so I just got done blow drying the side. I'm gonna go ahead and curl my hair on Instagram Live, and I'll come back to close out the video. This is pretty much how it looks. Again, I'm no hairstylist. I just, you know, am a girl who likes to try things. This is how it came out. Show you guys the edges up close. They are dry. A lot of questions that I do usually get is, how long do the edges last? Now, I can only speak for myself. You're gonna take showers, right? Sometimes you naturally will sweat. I would personally recommend 1 to 2 days. This is not a permanent long-term fix. Say for example, I have a photo shoot, or I just want to wear my hair in a side part, which I've never been able to do. A lot of you have also asked me, how do I remove the edges and just wash it out? Well, don't pull on it. You don't even have to rub it. It literally slide down, okay? Practice makes perfect. This method won't work for everyone, but if you are patient with yourself, you are there, honey, okay? So I just want to come on camera, bring you guys this video to let you know I missed you all, and Happy New Year. I am glad you all are here, and I'll see you all in my next one.
Give a pretty brown girl her space. You can keep your